How to review added friends history on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to review added friends history on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite. Here you will find these three lines in the top corner. Click on it and go down, click settings, and then just go down again until you find activity log, and here you will find this one here, connections, and then click added friends, and as you see here you can review added friends history on Facebook Lite. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.